We turn the heat of the stove to medium-high. Then we add some used cooking oil. You can also use brand new cooking oil for this purpose. Make sure you have an inch thick. We use a long chopstick just for frying, so that we won't get splattered because our hands is a little bit away from the hot oil. Then we can start dumping the chicken into the oil. We fry them and make sure you turn them only when one side is almost done. You can see the light brown color when I turn them. When they are almost cooked, you can see they have a golden brown color. Then when they are done, we can put them in a separate dish. Remember, don't dump your chicken all at once into the wok. Separate them in batches. In this case, the oil will maintain an even temperature.